What's the meaning of color code? Color code. Color code.
Color code. Color code. Color code refers to a system of identifying and categorizing different colors. This system assigns a unique identifier, usually in the form of a code, to each shade of color. This allows for easy reference and communication when discussing color choices for various purposes, such as graphic design or fashion. The codes often consist of alphanumeric characters, with different combinations representing different hues, tones, and shades. Overall, color coding is an efficient way to organize and communicate information about colors in a standardized manner.